Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Jurassic World app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You will find here apps. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Down here you search for Jurassic app word or just click on search. Then here add Jurassic word, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.